Hello and welcome to Due Sorelle. Today we are going to be making pizza dough from our pizza napolina flour. It is a 00 flour. Go ahead and scale out 500 grams of flour, 15 grams of salt, 1 gram of yeast, 295 grams of water. Dissolve your salt into your water. Add 10% of your mixture into the mixer with the dough hook at a time and slowly add more of your flour and yeast. Mix for 10 minutes on second speed, work the elasticity, let it go to sleep for 30 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and cut 250 to 300 gram balls of your dough, shape it nice, then you're going to let it sit on a floured bench with a damp towel for 10 to 12 hours. You'll then begin shaping your dough balls out into your pizza. You can add whatever toppings you would like for your pizza. For this one, I used homemade tomato sauce, parmigiana, some fried oyster mushrooms, anchovies, and thinly sliced slivers of garlic. On my second one, I put down some olive oil first and then my garlic, tomato sauce, mozzarella di bufalo, and parmigiana. After it baked, it got sliced, and then I added some mascarpone cheese, in addition to Luxardo cherries, pickled shallots, thinly sliced Fresno chili peppers, and fresh mint. All of our ingredients and recipes are for sale at www.duesorelle.com.